In this video, I'll show you how to get a row using Supabase in N8N in just a few simple steps. If you're building automations and need to pull a specific record from your Supabase table, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what node to choose, and how to configure the action so you can fetch the row you need without confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This is where you'll add the Supabase node, so make sure you're working in the correct automation before you continue. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. In the search bar, type Supabase, or just scroll until you find it. Click on the Supabase node to add it to your workflow. After the node appears on the canvas, look at the available options and choose Get a Row. This is the action you want when you need to retrieve one specific record from your Supabase table. Next, choose the credential you want to use. If you already have a Supabase credential saved in N8N, select it from the dropdown. If not, you'll need to create and connect one first, so N8N can access your Supabase project securely. Once the credential is selected, move on to the configuration section. Here, configure what you want to get. That means selecting the table, defining the row you want to retrieve, and setting any required filters or identifiers so N8N knows exactly which record to return. Make sure your settings match the data you're looking for, because this step controls which row is pulled into your workflow. After that, save your node and test the workflow to confirm the row is being returned correctly. If everything is set up properly, N8N will fetch the row from Supabase and you can use that data in the next steps of your automation. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a row using Supabase in N8N. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more N8N and automation tutorials.